Okay, we're going to go through how to back up the back end of the surgical calendar. Now, it's pretty simple. I usually do it once a week. It's not really necessary because OINT automatically has backups of these folders that happen on a scheduled basis. I do it just out of an abundance of caution. I usually, like I said, once a week, Mondays, whatever works for you. Let's take a step back for a second and just talk about what exactly when I mean back end versus front end of an Access database. So any decently designed Access database has a front end and a back end. The front end is the part that everybody sees. It's the part where you can actually input data, that kind of thing, but it doesn't actually store the data. The back end is what stores the data, and the reason for splitting those is prevents data corruption, that kind of thing. So it's a split database. That's a pretty common thing to do. And the back end is what we're going to be backing up, because backing up the front end is not going to do us any good. We've got plenty of backups of those. So first things first, go to the services folder, into services, pre-op schedule, and hopefully the first thing you're going to see there is an admin folder. If you can't see that, it's because it's a hidden folder, so just make sure you go turn on the ability to see hidden folders and you'll be able to see it. But we'll double click an admin folder. And then what you're going to see is two files. You're going to see they probably have the same icon. The only reason this one has a different one is I've opened it with a Word document and made all of these LACCDB files show up as Word documents, but they'll probably look exactly the same. The only thing that's going to look different is the size of the file. What happens when somebody opens up an Access database, a front end or a back end, is it creates this lock version. Basically prevents people from deleting the file while someone's still in it, because that would be bad, right? Multiple people can access the same thing, so anybody could potentially delete it. You don't want to delete it when somebody's using it because it could cause data corruption. So you're going to want to back up the one that actually has some substance to it. The 1 kilobyte one is just the locked file. It's basically like one line of text it tells you which computer has it open, so you don't want to back that one up. It'd be useless. And it will automatically go away as soon as everybody closes it anyway. So all we're going to do is we're going to copy this file, whatever your preferred method of copying is, and then I'm going to paste it where I usually put these things. I've got it buried way down deep in my personal folders. There's no real rhyme or reason to why I did that. You can put it wherever you want to. And then we're going to paste it, and then rename it. So I usually just put whatever the date is that I'm currently doing it. So you can say I did it on the 22nd. I'm going to do it do it for today now. It's pretty rare that I would do this more than once a week, but just for the purposes of the video. Beyond that, that's all I do. So you can see they've gotten progressively bigger as people have put more files in there. It's still pretty small. I mean, you're talking less than 5 megabytes, and this thing's been going for 7 months. So it's not a huge file, but it's a good thing to back it up. Otherwise, that's it.